Hi teacher and friends, today we will discussing about foil pack and global warming potential. In this presentation, it will be separated into 6 topics, which is introduction, composition and life analysis, utilization of foil pack, disposal of foil pack, pros and cons, and also suggestion and conclusion.
Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's surface due to human activities such as fossil fuel burning and mass deforestation. Foil packaging, mainly in the form of aluminium foil, is widely used in food packaging, insulation, etc. Its properties make it a very attractive material with enormous applicability. Global warming has reached an alarming rate today, and in this video we explain the contribution of foil packaging to global warming and how we can minimize this effect.
Now I'm going to talk about life cycle assessment. Now, what is it exactly? It is the method of assessment for a certain product on how it affects the environment during its life cycle by improving resource usage effectiveness and lowering its risk towards the environment. In a series of significant workshops, the Society of Environmental Toxicology and Chemistry influenced the growth of LCA, resulting in the famous setup triangle consisting of goal definition and scoping, inventory analysis, impact assessment, and improvement assessment, shown in the figure. The core, most advanced and scientific component of LCA is inventory analysis. Its main takeaway is that all processes involved in creating a single functional unit must be examined in terms of the following elements: procurement of raw materials, creation of intermediate goods, creation of the final good or service, use phase, and finally the disposal. Following it is the life cycle impact assessment. They are used to provide supplemental data to evaluate the life cycle inventory study findings, leading in a deeper comprehension of the potential environmental impacts induced by a product system. The structure of life cycle impact assessment can be classified into 4 processes: classification, characterization, normalization, and weighting, with classification and characterization acting as its mandatory components. The procedure of classifying impacts is done by allocating the inventory tables and output parameters to those groups. Furthermore, categorization can be carried out once for every parameter for a certain collection of parameters. Next, the data is changed in the characterization stage according to a number that represents the contribution of the product system or functional unit category under consideration.
For the utilization of our foil pack, we have 2 products, which is mylar bag and aluminum foil. For the mylar bag itself, it is known as low oxygen transmit rate, which means it protects the product inside from moisture, light, and odor. Another benefit from mylar bag is that it is strong and durable, yet flexible and thin. So basically, this item is very good for sealing valuable items. For aluminum foil, it is very easy to reuse and recycle, and then it is fire resistant and good for grilling, so it is used for the cover of the plate. And then the last benefit, it's retain aromatic smell in cigarette pack.
Hello everyone, I'll be discussing about the disposal of foil packs and its recycling. The most important thing for foil pack is such that the lifespan is short, the demand is increasing, and there's a genuine shortage of natural resources. Moreover, it becomes a waste instantly after its use. Also, we must make sure that the impact on the environment is very less. The best way to deal with this is to recycle the aluminum. The steps are to clean the foil and try to maintain it as dry. If not, it can become a waste, and these waste can eventually become into landfill. The recycling happens when aluminum is removed from the other metals, and then they are crushed and boiled and to be drawn into sheets so that it can be produced again. According to a recent research, it has been noticed that since aluminum, which are disposed as landfills, will release lead and arsenic in the waterways, and hence to overcome this issue, it has been suggested that the existing aluminum foil shall be dissolved in hydrogen chloride acid, where aluminum chloride crystals will be created, which will have a higher surface area, large pore volume, and high porosity. With this product, the meaty and oily food will just get stuck, and it will be it will be easily removed by filtration. Therefore, with this product, more aluminum foils can be recycled and less disposal will occur, leading to an improved environment.
In the economy, according to the data of China's relevant that the productions and consumptions of aluminum foils are on the rise. From the above data, the importance of aluminum foil products to global industrial demand is increasing. which means that the development of it can effectively promote the development of the global economy. In the environment, foil packaging is less polluting than other human-generated pollutants, and most of foil parts are decomposed faster, and some of foil parts can be recycled. This also means less impact on the global environment, such as reduced global warming.
In terms of environmental impact, first, paper is the largest proportion of aluminum foil package, and a large amount of paper is required in manufacturing. The process of making paper must be full loaded. For example, excessive deforestation will not only destroy the tree that absorbs CO2, but also emits lots of greenhouse gases in this process. In addition, it will also destroy the habitats of many animals and plants, resulting in environmental degradation and biodiversity reduction. Then, foil packages are one of the marine waste, which will destroy the marine ecology. For example, marine organisms are entangled and they die of hypoxia due to garbage.
So for the suggested solution, the government should provide support for the foil pack recycling contractor or company, such as provide a rental assistance, financial aids, and some professional technology, like how to build up a foil pack recycling system or plant. For the producer, they should use more environmental friendly materials such as glasses or biodegradable packaging to reduce the cost of recycling process and reduce the carbon emission. And also it is suggested that they should add some foil pack recycling bin in residential area, supermarket or other public. For the customer or public, they should avoid foil pack products such as Tetra Pak, and they should choose the product made from recyclable materials such as glasses. And most of the customers don't know that Tetra Pak can be recycling. Public should be informed that foil packing can be recycled, and they should know the types of the foil packs, guideline of recycling packing, and get a habit of recycling foil packs.
To conclude, aluminium production is a contributor to the global emission of greenhouse gases. Global warming is an urgent issue to be addressed today, and the different methods and alternatives discussed should be implemented to drastically reduce the impact of foil packaging on global warming.